Today we're gonna be unboxing my new clippers, Stylecraft Instincts. They come with the red, the blue, and the black lid. I kind of like the blue better, so I'm probably gonna swap that out. I didn't turn them on because I still need to fully charge them. Kind of like that lever with the clicks. If you have these, leave your comments down below. How you guys like them? So they come with all the guards, screwdriver, charger, I think, and the lever to adjust it. Different color levers, and the bracket. So pretty much comes with everything you need. And the trimmers, pretty much same thing, you know, it comes the trimmer and charger and little charging dock. Leave your comments down below what you guys think. And if you like videos like this, please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll be posting more videos.
Used to grab me after school when I was in first grade and be like, smack him and watch him turn me.